we just got to Maui and we are greeted by a cute little hen and her chicks, even though I hate birds if you've seen my Italy vlogs. And the rooster's over there. I don't know, you can't see it. He's crowing or whatever. What is the word, David? Crowing? Does a rooster crow?
In the morning, what do they do? I can't remember what they do.
Comment down below, what do they do?
Yeah.
Me so fat. First meal, hopefully it's good. Philly roll and a spicy salmon roll.
Very happy.
I think it's shrimp tempura with, I've never had like poke or ahi.
Poke, I think so.
Poke. I'm excited to try it. So we got sushi, which you guys probably saw. And we can't check into our condo, but we checked in with the front desk so we could park, and we're right across the street from, I'm gonna say it wrong, I think it's Kamoli, I don't know, State Beach, but we're gonna go head over there. We just put our bathing suits on. We're gonna go over there and hang out. Hopefully none of our stuff gets stolen. We drove by these food trucks earlier, and now we decided to stop and see what they have because we're gonna cook dinner, and then our grocery store is extremely expensive, so. Yeah, so cute. We both got our food from this truck. Hi guys, so I'm in the car now because David and I went to this food truck place, and there are a bunch of like hens and I don't know, roosters running around, and I am so afraid of birds that I just like came in the car to sit here because I didn't want to wait for the food out there. I don't know, I need to conquer my fear of birds. We had planned to cook and then take food and watch the sunset, and then now it's like dark, it's like 6, but time just like kind of ran out, and things were just so expensive at the grocery store that it was like, honestly, it might just honestly be more economical to eat out. But that's when we saw the food trucks and we're like, these are probably not as expensive. But literally for a bag of spinach was $6 or $7, and then it was like I was gonna make pasta with like vegetables and stuff, and all the vegetables were at least $5 or $6. Overall, day one was really good. I am very tired. We are 2 hours behind of our normal schedule, so that's just my little update because I know I haven't really vlogged like intensely today. I just kind of like vlogged some clips of what we were doing, and hopefully you guys got the gist of what we did. So this is the food that we got from the food trucks. Haven't tried it yet, but hopefully it's good.
It's really good, I think.
It smells
when I was
good.
sitting there, some people went up to me and they were just like talking, and they asked me what I got. And then I told them what I got, and they were like, oh, that's like the best one.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, everyone there was super nice.
Yeah,
they
really
were
nice.
Really nice, yeah.
Alright, so that's pretty much going to be it for today's vlog. We will see you guys tomorrow.